Motivational Monday, everyone. This is where we are sharing our series where we show 5 days of cleaning, decluttering, clearing out, or organizing one small space a day through Monday through Friday to try to just knock some of those things off of our list. So here's what I'm going to share with you this week. Day one this week is just Rebecca's dresser. There are two purposes for doing this. Number one is to get her dresser cleared off, organized, to get anything out of here that shouldn't be. Number two, we are going to be trying on clothes, which she won't be trying clothes on camera. I'll just show you like the dresser when we're done with it. But we're going to be going through clothes, getting rid of clothes that are too small, because once she's done with clothes, she doesn't have anybody to hand me down clothes to. So we either donate them or pass them along to other people or whatever. So we're gonna work on that, see what she has outgrown, and also make room for new clothes that she needs for this summer, like shorts and things. And we also are going to be making a list of what she does need. So I'm gonna take it drawer by drawer, have her try stuff on, refold things, reorganize it, and get started from there. And she is already getting started working on clearing it off. Day two, we are going to work on Sarah's dresser. The bottom drawer is actually Rebecca's until we can figure out a new situation for doing the kids' dressers. But for now, that bottom one is hers, so she just has to do the 5 above it and on top of her dresser. Day three is, you guessed it, it's going to be Madeline's dresser. She has the wooden dresser that actually was her dad's whenever he was her age. And she has to do the top of it. And we're not going to really show any of the clothes. We're just going to take care of this, clean it out, and then I'll show the top of it when we're done. Sound cool to you?
Yeah.
Day four is organizing the closet. The only goal here, because here does not need done. We recently put some things up there that need to stay up there, so not touching that. We are working on getting anything out of here that they don't want to keep or is too small for them. Day five, we are sorting the girls' shoes. So that's it for this week's Motivational Monday cleaning. Let me know in the comments below which one it was most motivating to you and what some of your Motivational Monday cleaning tips and tricks and some of your little to-do list things are going to be for this week. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.